How to share screens and control it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can share our screen and control it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to share a screen and control it on your Android device, all you need to do is head over to your Play Store application. After that, go to the search bar and search for TeamViewer Remote Control and go ahead and download this app in one of your devices. After that is done, you need to head over to TeamViewer again and search for Quick Support, and again go ahead and install it. After it is done, both of the apps are installed on your device, one with Quick Support, one with the remote control. All you need to do is go ahead and give access, and after that is done, you can use the app in order to share each other's screen and control it. So this is the easiest way you can use in order to do it. It is free applications, so you can do it easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.